Since the S4D doesn't utilize a clutch slave cylinder, this one can be removed and sold. However, it doesn't want to be the way it's fighting me. Now I get to remove the center console in order to access for shifter removal. The Mendeola 2D utilized a rod-style shifter, which I currently have installed, and it needs to be replaced with a cable-style shifter, which the S4D utilizes. This thing has 5 heated seats, and it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get your hands up in there to get the connectors disconnected. Or the electric seat heater connectors. Gotta fish them out. Okay, there's 2. We got one more in here somewhere. There it is. We'll pull these 2 bolts out right here, and that'll allow us to pull the shifter and the rod as an assembly. I'll put the shifting knobs back on so they don't get lost. Here's the new S4d Shifter Assembly, and it looks like with that pad already installed, you might be able to weld the base plate on the bottom of this, drill some holes, and just bolt it right there. I think that's the cat's meow. It's not going to be too bad. With the side panels out of the way, we can remove the seat. Alright, we'll pull the seat belts out. And now for the seat. So we have to disconnect the seat heater. We also have to get the radio headset cord out. We're going to try to lift it up and push it my way out. Next, we're going to remove the batteries. We will get rid of both of the positives. All right. Now we will get rid of the negatives. Try to put the bolts back in the same spot so we don't lose them. Now I have to take the brackets off. Time to pull off the remote oil filter mount. Now it's time to drain the fuel. Okay, we'll let that drain. While we're waiting for the gas to drain out, I'll remove the fuel pressure regulator.
Time to finish removing the CVs and the axles. Now let's get all this electrical wiring out of the way. Now I've got to reposition the shock reservoirs in order to remove the gas tank.